Yeah, just keep following it.
Okay.
Keep the first trail to your left.
To the left. Okay.
Yeah, and it's going to end eventually. Just go around your way, it doesn't matter. They just meet right here. The electric bike. Suron Ultra Bee, I believe. With young Liam riding it. Where's the cop? Got a whole bunch of four-stroke. Need some electric gas. Yep, keep on going. It'll come to a big quad track eventually.
You don't mind, I'm just going to let a bit of air out because
Oh yeah, yeah, you
I'm
should.
getting pogoed offline by my
What do you got,
front.
15 back there?
It's more my front.
Okay.
Actually, it feels kind of soft enough. Yeah, I have to say that the fork and the fork and stuff are pretty harsh, so
Yeah, you'll overwhelm it if you go fast.
you instead of absorbing it, it kind of deflects your front wheel really violently left or right.
Can't clicker that away.
I thought I had, but
Yeah.
I'm kind of feeling it a little bit. But
Suspension, the never-ending story.
yeah, that's the thing. It's like
It's like
spend
carb tune.
thousands and go down a rabbit hole, and I just
Yeah,
don't want.
yeah,
I'll just ride more carefully.
sure. GPX is going pretty good, I gotta say. Guys, where's Dan lose the suspension? Could it be his ankles? It is his ankles. I think he's going to like this tip. Bump in the right place. Beautiful trail. He was.
That's so good.